Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this, then that means it is December 1st and Vlogmas is officially upon us, which is crazy. I am going to kickstart Vlogmas with filling one of my Operation Christmas Child boxes. I did not realize that today was the last day to drop them off at our church, so I need to get the stuff for that and then drop it off this afternoon, which if I don't make the cutoff time for this afternoon, then I'll drop it off tomorrow. There's a church that's going to be collecting them tomorrow, so we're going to go find stuff to put in the box. I love doing Operation Christmas Child every year because I feel like it puts me in the right perspective for the holiday season. Like, it's a good reminder that we just need to be grateful. These kids are literally getting this tiny little shoebox and that's the highlight of their year, and we are so ungrateful about just what all we have. So I love that it puts you in the right mindset for that. So I'm gonna stop into TJ Maxx first. I'm gonna do a boy ages 10 to 14, so I'm gonna go look at TJ Maxx and see if they have any like t-shirts or something like that I could put in there, and then I'll probably get the rest of my stuff from Target for it. But let's go see what TJ Maxx has. Maybe this sweatshirt. We'll do this soccer ball and take the air out of it so it'll fit in the box. TJ Maxx didn't have very many clothing options for boys, so that was interesting. Usually they have a lot more to choose from, so we'll try to get maybe like another shirt or something from Target. But let's go see what I can find at Target, and then we'll go home and pack this box up. Found one of these Nitos. Kids are obsessed with these. Got some socks. Found a fun little Mario shirt. And then we've got some joggers. We've got some different school supplies. I'd love to get a fun little cup, but I don't think it will fit in the shoebox with everything I already have. All right, this is a smaller water bottle, so we'll go with this and see if it fits in the shoebox. If not, I'll just return it. Unfortunately, Target was out of their air pumps, so I'm at this little sports store, so we're gonna see if they have any. So that was an epic fail. That sports store only sold clothing, so they did not have any pumps. I'm at our Walmart now, which I don't like going into this Walmart by myself. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. Last time I was in here by myself, I got followed and I did not enjoy that one bit. So we're gonna try to get in and out of here as quick as possible, but I needed to stay in the area because I'm kind of pushed for time. So if they don't have a pump here, I'm just gonna have to go home and then figure out what I'm gonna do a little bit later. But let's go in this Walmart and hopefully they have a pump and I can be done with the shopping, but we'll see. Walmart did not have a pump either, but I ran out of time. So we're gonna see what space is looking like in this box, and then I'm gonna change clothes. I do have to go into my school today. I have to do a flight sim and a flight. So if I can get this somewhat packed, then I'm gonna change clothes, and then if I have time, I'll run into the Target on the way to my school. If I don't have time, then I'll just wait and go to maybe like Dick's Sporting Goods tomorrow and look for a pump. Hopefully one of those places has that, but let's see what we are looking like as far as space goes. I'm gonna try to fold all this stuff in a way that like it'll fit in here like as good as it possibly can. Let's see, we'll put that down at the bottom. And then we'll have to deflate this, hopefully. All right, let's see here. I'm going to put all the school supplies. I'm just gonna take them out of their boxes and put them in here, so that hopefully they'll have more room. Let's see, there's crayons. And We'll do our pencils. We'll do our pencils, and where's my markers? I'll have to put the lead in here too. You won't take that out, obviously. All right, markers. Or maybe I'll just leave this out separate and just put, I'm gonna open up these. I know they say to try to keep things packaged if you can, but for the sake of room, we are not going to be doing that. I'll put the erasers in the front pouch. I will leave like this on. All right, is that all the school supplies? I got a toothbrush as well. So let's see, here's that toothbrush. We've got a little notepad and our extra lead cup. Ooh, the cup fits nice in there. Oh, I forgot about the clothes. Let's see. And my little Neato ball. Okay, maybe I can like do that. Okay, we can maybe wrap this like pretty tight. Let's see. I wanted like a sport shirt, but they didn't have anything, and I also wanted shorts instead of the joggers, but again, they had like nothing. So I was like, that's fun. Okay, here we'll do this. Maybe I should put all the clothes at the bottom. Okay, let's see. If the joggers won't fit, I might just take those back because I didn't really want to get pants, but they're kind of thin, so okay. But now the problem is I don't think the socks are gonna fit. Maybe I should take the socks back. I don't know. Right now we're pretty full. Okay, so this is what it's looking like without the soccer ball. It's already not closing, which is fun. So we're gonna have to reassess this, but I'm gonna wait till I get the pump to see how big that is before I try to like rearrange anything else. This won't be too big once it's deflated. So I don't know, we may just have to get rid of the joggers and then put the pump and the soccer ball in there. We'll see. I didn't even put the socks in there, so I don't know. I'm like, maybe I'll take those out of the package and just throw like 2 in there and then give the rest to my nephew. I don't know. We'll have to see. It's the next morning. I didn't have time to go last night after my flying, and I didn't leave early enough to go before, but I did check the Target that I was gonna go look at, like the other one, did not have any air pumps. It said online that they were out of stock. So really my last option is Dick's Sporting Goods. So I'm gonna head there. If they don't have an air pump, then we will have to figure out what the next step is. Maybe I can find like Legos or something. I don't know. That'll fit in the box. We'll see what happens, but let's go check out Dick's Sporting Goods and fingers crossed they've got what we need. They have them, yay! We got our pump. I also got some extra little needles, so good to go on all of our box things. Now the fun part is gonna be figuring out how to make sure everything fits in there. But this little shopping center that the Dick's Sporting Goods is in has a Five Below. I've never been in a Five Below before, so I'm gonna go in there because I saw something online the other day that they had some fun little like Christmas things. So we're gonna go check this one out and see what they have in there. Gotta get all the air out of this ball. My box is looking a little tacky with my tape, but this was the only way I could get it to stay somewhat closed. I didn't have any rubber bands, and they're gonna have to reopen it anyways to look, so they'll probably put a rubber band on it. But I was able to fit everything except for the sweatshirt was just way too bulky, so I made the decision to leave that out. And then I had to leave 2 of the socks out, but everything else is in here. So our box is good and ready to be delivered. Alrighty, let's drop this baby off. Got a cute little thank you package. It has a pin, a little cross bookmark, some candy canes, some stickers. But that is all for day 1 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a fun way to kickstart this series. And as always, any questions, comments, whatever, put them in the comments below. I'm about to go fly, so I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Bye!